outside. Oh, hey, what's up, man? Come on in here, man. Let me, I was opening up some new earbuds by Dudios. These are the Dudios Zeus. Dudios, okay. All right, but these are earbuds, man. They're supposed to be really good. They have AptX, water resistance, and wingtips. You know how I know? Because it says it on the box. Let's get this thing open. First of all, this is making me nervous. Let me put it away. Show this box just a little bit of respect, and then this is a unique quick start guide. It's like this almost wax paper. Not much to it, man. You charge them up. It says to charge safely, please make sure the power source is 5 volts, less than 1 amp. All right, and it takes about 1.5 hours to charge. I'm not sure how much battery life you get out of that. Then it says how to pair it. Are you happy, unhappy? Let me see how much battery life you get. It doesn't say. Interesting. All right, so let's just go ahead and pop open the box. Nice presentation. Very nice. Let me see how I get into this thing. Let's pull it up and pull it out. Okay. Dude, that is a lot of tips. Okay. Wow. Okay, so you have wings. You got a lot. They spared no expense on ear tips. Okay, I got 2 bags here. You got, okay, 2 types of, let me just organize this. All right, so I got small, large, the medium must be on there. Then you got small, medium, and large of these. Okay, so you got these, check that out. You got these ear tips that have just a loop, but you also have the ones with the little wing on it. So just personal preference, I guess, whichever one you want to use. But then they give you, of course, because if you got wings, you got to have some ear tips, but it just seems like a lot. So you got, that is small, super small. You got you got super tiny, I can't even hold that. You got super tiny ear tips right there. Whose ear canal is that small? Then you got what looks to be a regular small, and then you got let's say these are more like a medium right here, and then you got large. Okay, so I wonder what's actually on the earbuds. Then you got these little strap keepers, right? So many tiny parts. You got a little strap keeper right there. You got 2 of them, and then you have 2 shirt clips. Wow. Okay, lots of accessories. I'm probably going to end up knocking some more of this stuff on the floor, but okay. Then we got some instructions in the box. Nice case right here. Nice case. That logo, is it a D? Yeah, it's a D for Dudio. That is a name, I like it. All right, open up the case, and then you got your USB, micro USB charging plug right there. Remember, less than 1/2 amp. It actually, or less than 1.5 amps. It actually has a carabiner clip. Oh, there's a little loop right there. We can just kind of hook it on something. Nice touch. And then, oh snap, they are magnetically held together. I like that feature. More and more headphones or earbuds are actually starting to do that these days. And I'm really digging it because it just kind of helps you keep them on your neck. So we got the USB charging port right here. Pretty typical. And then you got a multifunction play and pause, and then you got volume down and volume up. Pretty standard, but what I really like is the magnetic, let me put them on the right side, the magnetic closure. Let me see if it just does it, if I get them close. Nope, won't do it. But at least you know that if you do that, it's stuck, it ain't going nowhere. All right, and it's got a good pull to it too. All right, so what size tips do we have on here? This looks like a medium tip, and it says medium right there on the wing. So we got medium tips, medium wings. Let's go ahead and pair these bad boys up, and we'll talk about, you know what, before we go into that, let's talk about build quality. So you have your standard wire, man. It's just a little bit thicker than your average earbud wire. I mean, it feels durable. It doesn't seem like it's gonna snap or anything like that, but it's a wire. So don't be pulling on it all crazy. But the way these things feel, this is actually a metal build, the body, the surround right here. And then of course you got your tip that you put on. And it doesn't look like it's really hard to put on or complicated at all. Looks like it has a notch. Let me just take this one off, because it looks like it has a notch where it kind of locks in place. Yeah, it does. It actually has a little notch where it kind of locks in place, so it's actually supposed to be in one spot, so it won't be moving around on you. And I really like these ear tips. They're the kind that actually seal up your ear and lock in all that bass in your ear canal. Let's get these bad boys. Pretty comfortable. All right, are they sticking out a lot? They seem like they're sticking out a lot because they're pretty long. All right, so let's go ahead and pair these bad boys up. Connected. All right, cool. Let's see what we got here. Some, I was listening to a random playlist. Okay. Dang. This is that Tupac. Round and round, round we go. I get around. Round and round, round we go. Dr. Dre's Explosive. Now I got these things up full blast. Hold on. Wow. I'm impressed. Wow. Let me ride this out. All right. Okay, I've heard enough. So the sound on these, they have AptX, so it's supposed to have the supreme quality as far as streaming Bluetooth. It's supposed to be pretty much lossless. Let me turn them off. All right, press and hold to power off. And it's got some pretty nice voice prompts too. She's almost kind of hood though. She's like, "Your Bluetooth device is connected." She had kind of a little swag to her voice. Anyway, but man, you get so much stuff here. Okay, let me put them down. So as far as audio quality, I love it. There's a lot of bass, and it's not muddy at all. But man, you feel. It's part of the sound in every Bluetooth earbud is the way it connects to your ear canal. So they actually seal it up with these standard earbud tips, which they all should use. But these little drivers in here actually produce a nice, clean, powerful sound. Lots of bass, but it's not too much. It's plenty to go on a run with. It's plenty to go into beast mode for your when you're lifting weights. Nice and punchy, solid bass. But the clarity, the mids and highs are very present. The highs are bright. You can hear all the not tinny at all, but you can definitely hear the clarity in the treble and the highs. The mids are very present. Nothing's washed out. Nothing sounds hollow. Usually in a pair of budget earbuds, you actually you miss something. It's not really all together. It's not really all there all together at one time, but you get all three elements of music here. Nice, solid, punchy bass. You get very present mids, and you get bright, crispy, clean highs. I'm digging this. Dudio. I wonder what else they make. If they can make earbuds like this, I'm wondering, I'm gonna have to go look on Amazon and see if they got more products. If they make headphones, I'm gonna have to get some of their headphones in here, man. Oh, by the way, these are water resistant. I don't know if I told you that or not, but they're definitely worth a buy. I can see how they can definitely stick inside of your ear if you're going on a run or something. They got some really long little wings here. And the fact that you got a choice too, because sometimes the earbuds will sound good, but then you don't want that thing sticking in your little ear part right there. But so you want these right here. So it's nice that they give you a choice, and you got plenty of sizes to choose from. Extra small to medium to a Marge. Anyways, I ain't no expert in this kind of stuff. I'm just doing reviews. Hey, these are some good earbuds though, man. Pick them up. They're made by Dudio, and these are called the Zeus earbud. Before I get out of here, y'all go ahead and make sure you tap on that like button, smash on that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all at the next one.